All right, it's time to set up your email. So we'll start with the agency setting. I'm going to go to setting and I'm going to go to email services. So this is where we're going to set up a dedicated domain to send emails from. So you can see here, I've already have one set up. You can create multiple dedicated domains if you like. Basically, the way it works is you're going to click this and then you're going to add a domain right here. And what you'll do is you'll have your root domain. So that could be gooutreach.com. And then the subdomain, you're going to add a subdomain in front of it, which would just be, you could say something like email and then put a period. So this is what we call a subdomain. You have a word here and then ending with a period and then your root domain, okay? So when you're done with that, you're just going to click add and verify. And then what it's going to do is it's going to connect the DNS records. So we'll just click continue. And right now it's finding the provider details. I bought this domain from Cloudflare. It's automatically going to connect it to Cloudflare. All I have to do is click on authorize domain, and I have to first log into the Cloudflare first. So when I'm done logging in, so now it's going to ask me to authorize adding these DNS records. And all I have to do is click authorize, and then it'll get automatically added. And then I would just come back here, and you can also do it manually, of course, if it doesn't automatically do it. And once you're done with that, you'll verify it. And then when it's active, it'll say that the share IP is active and the SSL will be issued. Okay. So that's how we set up the dedicated domain. So now we're going to set up the emails for the sub account. So I'm now here in a sub account and I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to come over to email services. So by default, whatever dedicated domain that you've set up in your agency account is going to be what shows up as a default provider. So what that means is if you have additional clients that you're bringing on, this will be the default provider unless they add their own dedicated domain. So keep that in mind, okay? So again, it's the same process. You're just going to add the dedicated domain here under the sub account. All right, so if we want to connect Gmail or Outlook, what we'll have to do is log in as a user. So right now I am an admin. You won't see this menu called My Profile. So I'm going to log in as a user. All right, so once you're logged in as a user, you'll see this new menu in the settings called My Profile. And what you'll be able to do is then connect your Gmail or Outlook. So under My Profile, you'll just click on, let's say you have Gmail, you just click on Gmail and then click connect, and then it's going to ask you to connect to a Gmail account. And that's the same process for Outlook as well. All right, that is it for setting up your emails.